the main purpose of accumulator register of 8085. The name itself suggests that it is a register and it accumulates. Everything happens here. So this is a data storage and this is a temporary data storage used by the microprocessor. Temporary data storage. Okay, so we have in 8085, we have registers that are used to store data. So what is a register? Basically, flip-flop is for 1 bit. So when we have the combination of various flip-flops, you might have heard about JK flip-flop, SR flip-flop, D flip-flop, like that. So when you combine the flip-flop, it will give result to a register. And register is the addressable memory. Okay. So it is an 8-bit, right? Accumulator, it is an 8-bit register that contains 8 flip-flop. It can store a maximum of 8 bits of data. So the importance of this accumulator is that in most of the 8-bit arithmetic and logical operation, whichever arithmetic logical operation is happening, the microprocessor will always take the first 8-bit number from the accumulator. Okay. So in 8085, we have accumulator. Along with this, we also have general purpose register. So B, C, D, E, H, L. These are 6 8-bit register. Each register contains 8 flip-flops. That is why it is 8-bit register. Each register can store a maximum of 8 bits. That is 1 byte of data. And for storing data greater than 8 bits, these registers are used in pairs. So B, C, D, E, H, L, like this. So B is 8-bit, C combined. C is also 8-bit, it combines, and then 16-bit is used. So each register pair can store a maximum of 16 bits of data, that is 2 bytes of data, right? These are general purpose registers. There are certain temporary registers also. 3 8-bit registers, W, X, Z. Each register can store a maximum of 8 bit, and these registers cannot be used by the programmer. It cannot be accessed by the programmer. These registers can be used only by the microprocessor. In order to execute the operation, that is, the microprocessor will use these registers for the temporary storage of data.